Hello, so we have TBQs here now. Understand them nicely. Textbook question, they are given in your textbook on page 185. So first we have to discuss MCQs. Which one of the following material cannot be used to make a lens? So see, lens का definition क्या होता है? That it's a transparent material. So among these, जो भी transparent नहीं होगा, we cannot use it to make a lens. So out of these, which one is not transparent? Of course, clay. So we cannot use clay to make the lens. Second question is, the image formed by a concave mirror is observed to be virtual, erect and larger than the object. I repeat, virtual, erect and larger than the object. Where should be the position of the object? We know that concave mirror में सिर्फ last case ही ऐसा होता है जब the image form is virtual and erect, right? चलो let's read the option. Between the principal focus and center of curvature, तो F and C के बीच में, at the center of curvature, beyond center of curvature and between the pole and the principal focus. Yes, this is our last case, between focus and principal pole, right? तभी हमें virtual, erect, larger image मिलता है. And mind this particular case of concave mirror is very very important. किसी भी फॉर्म में ट्विस्टेड मैनर में ask this in the exam. जैसे here they are asking कि where are you going to get this image. फिर पूछ लेगा which mirror is used in shaving mirror, draw the ray diagram for the same. Which mirror is used by dentist, draw the ray diagram for the same. So this is a very frequently asked question. Okay. Now we are moving on to the next part. Question number 3. Where should an object be placed in front of a convex lens to get a real image of the size of the object? ठीक है, अभी कॉन्वेक्स लेंस की बात कर रहे हैं. रियल इमेज होना चाहिए ऑफ द साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, मतलब इमेज का साइज और ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज सेम होना चाहिए, राइट? सो वेयर डू वी गेट सच टाइप ऑफ द इमेजेस? व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस एंड द इमेज डिस्टेंस इज सेम, दैट इज 2f पे होता है, तो मतलब ट्वाइस द फोकल लेंथ. सो समटाइम ना जब आपके कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर होंगे, यू डोंट इवन नीड टू लुक एट द ऑप्शंस ऑल्सो, राइट? सो बिना ऑप्शंस के ऑल्सो यू कैन डू इट, जस्ट स्टार्ट सर्चिंग फॉर दैट. और जब यू आर कन्फ्यूज देन यू हैव ऑल दी ऑप्शंस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, तो ऑप्शंस में से भी सॉर्ट आउट हो सकता है कि प्रिंसिपल फोकस पे तो अगर हम ऑब्जेक्ट को रखेंगे तो इन्फिनिटी पे जाता है, तो इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, मैग्नीफाइड मिलता है हमें. इन्फिनिटी पे अगर रखते हैं तो फोकस पे बनता है और बहुत पॉइंट साइज होता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल. ऑप्टिकल सेंटर प्रिंसिपल फोकस के बीच में तो रियल इमेज ही नहीं मिलता, राइट? सो कॉन्सेप्ट्स मस्ट बी वेरी वेरी क्लियर टू यू पीपल. Question number 4. A spherical mirror and a thin spherical lens. Now we are talking about two things together. A mirror and a lens. Each having a focal length of -15. दोनों का focal length negative है, right? Then the mirror and lens are likely to be. Now see, concept is going to work here. Focal length दोनों का negative. किसका दोनों का focal length negative होता है? In the case of mirror, कॉन्केव लेंस का होता है, सॉरी कॉन्केव मिरर का होता है. एंड इन द केस ऑफ लेंस भी कॉन्केव का ही होता है, राइट? सो इन बोथ द केसेस द नेगेटिव फोकल लेंथ इज ऑफ द कॉन्केव. सो आंसर ए इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. यू नीड नॉट टू गेट कंफ्यूज्ड एनीवेज हियर. ओके, सो इससे एक कॉन्सेप्ट और क्लियर होता है, और यू कैन रिमेंबर इन दिस ऑल्सो कि इन बोथ द केसेस कॉन्केव लेंस एंड कॉन्केव मिरर हैज नेगेटिव फोकल लेंथ एंड कॉन्वेक्स दोनों का पॉजिटिव फोकल लेंथ होता है, राइट? चलो, नो मैटर हाउ फार यू स्टैंड फ्रॉम अ मिरर, योर इमेज अपीयर्स इरेक्ट, द मिरर इज लाइकली टू बी. सो सी, कौन सा मिरर ऐसा है जब योर इमेज इज ऑलवेज इरेक्ट? सो कैन बी प्लेन मिरर, कैन इट बी कॉन्वेक्स? No. Can it be concave? Yes. So either it is going to be plane or it is going to be convex, right? Question number 6. Which of the following lenses would you prefer to use while reading small letters found in dictionary? ठीक है, अभी small letters के लिए हमें लेंस यूज करना है. तो जब हमें लेंस यूज करना होता है तो we know that we use convex lens. ये तो हमने हमारे कॉन्सेप्ट में ही पढ़ा है, राइट? कि वी यूज कॉन्वेक्स लेंस टू मैग्नीफाई दी इमेज, बिकॉज कॉन्केव तो हमेशा डिमिनिश्ड इमेज फॉर्म करता है. ट्रू, बट अब सी, इफ यू कैन सी देयर आर टू ऑप्शंस ए एंड सी, दोनों में कॉन्वेक्स लेंस है. नाउ वी हैव टू चूज वन. सी, व्हेन यू चूज अ कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, सो उसका पावर हमेशा ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, मतलब इट शुड बी एबल टू कॉन्वर्ज द लाइट रे मोर, है ना? तो वो एक अच्छा लेंस कहलाएगा. सो पार इज इक्वल्स टू 1 बाय फोकल लेंथ होता है, ट्रू. तो जिसका फोकल लेंथ कम होगा उसका पावर ऑफ द लेंस ज़्यादा होगा. So if you have an option the lens twice, then you need to see the focal length. किसका focal length कम है? This one. So therefore the correct option is C. Is it clear? Okay. Now we are moving to question number 9. Question number 9 says that one half of the convex lens is covered with a black paper. Okay. वन हाफ को ब्लैक पेपर से कवर कर दिया. टुडे वी आर डिस्कसिंग TBQs, बट दोज TBQs आर बेस्ड ओनली ऑन lenses. For mirror you can watch my previous lectures. So one half of a convex lens is covered with black paper. Will this lens produce a complete image of the object? If yes, then how? So see, this is the case. If you have the lens now, this is your lens. You are covering the half of your lens with the black paper. So will be able to see the image? Yes. Because light ray, even though if you are covering it half with black paper, the light rays are able to pass through the lens. If they are able to pass through the lens, ये तो we have used. ऐसे और भी rays इधर से pass होगा, right? तो image तो बन ही जाएगा. Correct. We are using only two rules here for the ray diagram, but other rays are also going to pass from here somewhere, and they are going to meet at one point. So image तो बनेगा, light ray meet करेगा तो image तो बन ही जाएगा. So even if you cover the half of it with black paper, the image is going to be formed. But the only thing is कि उनकी intensity, उसका sharpness reduce हो जाता है. So what we're going to write, yes, it will form a complete image of the object, which can be verified by seeing the image of a distant object like tree on screen when the lower half of the lens is covered with black paper. However, the intensity or the brightness of the image is going to reduce. So I hope the answer is clear that what we are going to write. Yes, the image would be complete, but we can verify by using this object. It can be a distant object. Image would be formed, but only that the intensity of the brightness is going to reduce. Now we are moving to TBQ 10. An object 5 cm in length is held 25 cm away from converging lens. See, object का length दिया है 5 cm, right? So the object is 5 cm in length. So I have written height of the object 5 cm. It is held 25 cm away. That is the object distance from a converging lens of focal length 10 cm. The focal length is 10 cm. Converging lens, see अभी यहाँ पे name clear नहीं है, right? So इसलिए dear students, you should know the nature of the lens. That is, converging lens मतलब होता है convex lens, diverging मतलब होता है concave lens. So here we are talking about convex lens because it is converging in nature. Now quickly just see the sign conventions. So height of the object, since it is placed above principal axis, positive होगा. Object distance, we know that whatever type of device it is always going to be negative. Convex lens का focal length हमेशा it is positive, so it's going to be positive. Now we have to find, see what do we have to find? Draw the ray diagram. You have to draw the ray diagram for the same case. Find the position, size and the nature of the image. The position मतलब image distance, size and the nature of the image. We have done this type of questions right now, right? So we just giving another try at this type of question. So I told you whenever you have to find image distance first, if you have object distance and focal length, we are going to use our lens formula, which is 1 by v minus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f. We are going to substitute the value. This we read, so let it be this way only. Object distance is minus 25, focal length is positive 10. राइट सो देखो यहाँ माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, बट व्हेन इट गोज द अदर साइड इट इज अगेन गोइंग टू बी नेगेटिव 25. क्लियर? नाउ इफ आई टेक द LCM ऑफ दिस टू इट विल कम आउट टू बी, नाउ आई एम सॉल्विंग दिस एंटायरली सो दैट कोई डाउट अगर होगा हाउ टू सॉल्व इट वुड बी क्लियर. 10 and 25 का LCM इफ यू विल टेक इट विल कम आउट टू बी 50. अब 50 और 10 को यू डिवाइड, आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी 5. जो भी आंसर आता है न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करो. Again 50 and 25 को divide, answer is going to be 2. Multiply it with numerator, so it's going to be 2 only. So this is 1 by v is equals to 3 by 50. बट वी डोंट रिक्वायर 1/v, वी रिक्वायर v, तो हम क्या करेंगे इसका रेसिप्रोकल. सो यू डोंट फॉरगेट कि एक साइड रेसिप्रोकल नहीं करना है, यू गोइंग टू डू इट बोथ द साइड. सो ये 50/3 हो जाएगा. जब इसको सॉल्व करोगे, इफ़ यू ट्राई एंड ब्रिंग आउट इन डेसिमल्स, देन दिस विल कम आउट टू बी 16.67 सेंटीमीटर. एक्चुअली इट इज गोइंग टू बी 666, राउंड ऑफ करके 16.67 सेंटीमीटर. कैन यू सी दैट द इमेज डिस्टेंस इज कमिंग आउट टू बी पॉजिटिव इन नेचर, राइट? सो इमेज डिस्टेंस पता चल गया. Now we require height of the image. For height of the image, we can directly apply the formula magnification is equals to hi by ho is equals to v by u, right? So for height of the image निकालना है, height of the object is given to us as 5, v अभी आया 16.67. अगर डेसिमल में सॉल्व करने में प्रॉब्लम होता है, so I always prefer fraction. So 15/3. Then object distance कितना था? We have it as -25. So substitute it as -25, right? So अभी hi कितना हो जाएगा? 50/3 into -25. See, this is in denominator. It will go here, multiply, right? Solve करो इसको. ये 5, ये 10. Don't forget this negative sign. So -3.33 is going to be your image का height. So hi is equals to -3.33 centimeters. This is your height of the image. This is your object distance. कुछ रह गया? Yes, we are left with the nature of the image. So don't forget this. Nature कैसे देखेंगे? Height of the image से. So the negative sign indicates that. So just write it here that hi is equals to -3.33. So negative sign indicate that image is real inverted. And if we compare height of the image and height of the object, height of the image is smaller. So as hi is smaller than ho, therefore image is diminished also. Is it clear? So nature के लिए you always see height of the image या magnification. You see sign पॉजिटिव है तो वर्चुअल इरेक्ट, नेगेटिव है तो रियल इन्वर्टेड. नंबर अगर छोटा है 1 से, इफ यू सी मैग्निफिकेशन देन डिमिनिश्ड, ग्रेटर देन 1 देन मैग्नीफाइड. बट हाइट ऑफ द इमेज देखते हो तो कंपेयर करो विथ हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. अभी यहाँ पर एक इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट था क्वेश्चन का, वेयर दे से कि यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द रे डायग्राम. सी रे डायग्राम का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि यू कैन ड्रॉ एनीथिंग ऑफ योर चॉइस. यू हैव टू ड्रॉ डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द डेटा दैट इज गिवन टू यू पीपल. सो मतलब आपका फोकल लेंथ 10 सेंटीमीटर पे होना चाहिए, आपका ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस 25 सेंटीमीटर पे होना चाहिए. विल इट बी फीजिबल फॉर यू टू ड्रॉ इन रियलिटी? No. So just like we do in graphs, we do on maps, that we take a scaling. For ray diagrams in such case also we take scalings here. तो suitable scaling मैंने आप लोग को बताया कि from the lens 2 सेंटीमीटर पे you take focus, right? So 2 सेंटीमीटर equals to 10 सेंटीमीटर लेना है. That means 1 सेंटीमीटर is going to denote 5 units here, right? So 2 सेंटीमीटर पे देखो मेरा focus ये कितना denote करेगा? ये this distance is going to be 10 सेंटीमीटर. You mark it here then after drawing the रे डायग्राम. ठीक है, फिर 2f ऐसे आ जाएगा. इट इज गोइंग टू बी नाउ ट्वाइस ऑफ व्हाट इट इज. ठीक है, सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 20. बट ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस हमें 2f से मतलब नहीं है. वी नाउ रिक्वायर ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस. यहाँ जहाँ आपने ऑब्जेक्ट को रखा है वहाँ से यू विल हैव टू शो दिस 25 सेंटीमीटर. So when you draw your ray diagrams, you have to show this thing on your ray diagram. You have to write the scaling. This is very, very important. Just don't draw the ray diagram abruptly for a given situation in the question. Depending upon the dimensions, you have to choose your scalings. Okay? Similarly on the other side, and then with the help of the rules, you can just draw and you're going to simply get your image here. Clear? Okay, I hope the question is clear. Now you are able to catch up with the questions here. Now we are moving to TBQ 11. Focal length is 15 centimeter. Concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter. So focal length is 15. Forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. Image बन रहा है, that is image distance. How far the object is placed from the lens? Object distance you have to calculate. Draw the ray diagram. और इसी का ray diagram बनाना. So ray diagram again you can't make abruptly. You have to choose according to the dimensions given. But first thing is sign convention. Check कर लेते हैं. Concave lens है. See focus is on the same side. तो negative होगा. So see I have substituted negative sign here. Similarly, object image be always form on the same side. So again, image distance is going to be negative. Now to find out this object distance, we are going to use lens formula. Now lens formula में we will start substituting. अभी देखो substitute करते वक्त be sure of the signs. Now beta, this is very important that whichever quantity you have to find your object distance. अभी तक हम image distance ज़्यादा calculate कर रहे थे. Now we require object distance. So whatever you have to find ना, उसके preceding sign हमेशा positive होना चाहिए, right? So that calculations become easy last में. तो इसको positive बनाने के लिए I have to take it on the other side. So if I am taking this on the other side, I have to bring this on the this side. So this is minus 1 by 15. When it comes here, it will be 1 by 15 positive, and this negative will also go there as positive. So now we have this. Now we just simply need to solve this, right? So जब हम इसको solve करेंगे, once we are going to solve this, taking LCM and everything, 10, 15 का LCM, we know that it is 30. चलो let's do it only. So this is minus 3 plus 2 is equals to 1 by u. So minus 1 by 30 is equals to 1 by u. But mind it, we always require u. Reciprocal करेंगे, but sign तो रहता ही है. So object is at 30 centimeter. Now again they have told us to draw the ray diagram for this. See बेटा, अभी ray diagram अगर आपको बनाना है तो that means 2 centimeter should be equals to 15 unit. So we have taken 2 centimeter is equals to 15 units. So 2 centimeter पे focal length बना दिया. Now you just have to write it as 15 units. Clear? Object कहाँ पे? 30 पे. So here is our object 30 centimeter पे. So first you'll solve the entire question. At the end you're going to draw this. And this writing down the scaling here is very, very important. Okay. And your image is formed here, which is 10 centimeter. So this image distance is 10 centimeter. Mark everything and this is your answer. आई होप दिस इज़ क्लियर. सो अभी तक हमने क्वेश्चन से ये समझा है कि वेन एवर वी हैव टू सब्सटीट्यूट अ वैल्यू वी विल हैव टू डू विथ साइन कन्वेंशंस. use the formula. There are only two formulas that we have learned in the entire chapter. Lens formula for refraction during the lenses, lens formula magnification, right? So they are easy to remember, easy to substitute as well. Moving on to TBQ 16. So TBQ 16 says that you have to calculate the focal length of a lens. Focal length निकालना है whose power is -2. And what type of lens is this? So this is the question. Calculate the focal length of a lens of power -2, type of the lens. So power is given to us. Focal length निकालना है. We know the formula is Fp is equals to 1 by F. But remember this answer is going to come out in meters because you're taking 1 by F. Or you can also choose 100 by F when answer is going to come in centimeters. So it's as easy. इसको हम ऐसे substitute कर देंगे. So focal length will come out to be 0.5. I'm really sorry. It's minus. So कि हमें साइन के साथ सब्सिट्यूट करना है. So this will come out to be -0.5. But again you remember that this is going to be in meters. सेंटीमीटर में करना हो तो 50 सेंटीमीटर हो जाएगा. Okay. Now see, the important part is this, the type of the lens. So see, since the power of the lens is negative, so as power of lens is negative, या फिर focal length is negative, that means the lens is concave. And in the bracket you just mention the nature of the lens also, which is diverging in nature. This is very important that you mention the name as well as the nature. TBQ 17. So the question is, a doctor has prescribed, this is the question, a doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power 1.5 diopter. So see, the power is 1.5 diopter. Find the focal length of the lens. You have to calculate the focal length. So I've written here focal length. And also is the prescribed lens diverging or converging. So that means I have to find the nature of the lens. True? Now power is equals to 1 by F होता है क्योंकि power और focal length, तो we have to use this formula only. So now I'm substituting it here. Power का value 1.5 है, focal length meters में आएगा, तो write in that way only. ठीक है. इसको जब substitute करोगे, so it will come out to be, so see, focal length is going to be 1 by 1.5. So it's going to be 10 by 15. So decimal हटाएंगे तो then 2 by 3, so it's going to be 0.66 meters. Right? Now you have to say what is the nature of the lens. So as power of lens is positive, therefore lens is positive. पावर कब होता है, फोकल लेंथ पॉजिटिव कब होता है, when the lens is converging in nature, that is it is a convex type of lens. Clear? So focal length negative है मतलब concave lens है, positive है मतलब convex lens है. Similarly power, because power is related to focal. Only catch here is that if you're using focal length in meter, power का formula is 1 by f. If you're using focal length in centimeter, power का formula would be 100 by f. I hope today's session is very very clear to you. All the numericals are clear with you people. I'm going to see you in the next lecture with some more important question of the chapter.